Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should also work out for the Samsung Galaxy S26 and the S26 Plus as well. And to split screen, you want to first of all open up the first application just like so, and then you want to tap on the recent menu at the left hand side. Now what you want to do is to long press on the app icon of the first application just like so, and that application should automatically occupy the first part of the screen. Now what you want to do is to scroll all the way down and select the application which you want to cover the second part of your screen. In my case, I want the Google application, so I can go ahead and select Google. Now you can go ahead and multitask by using both screens together, and they work absolutely well without any problem. You can even adjust the size of each screen by long pressing on the center just like so, and then just adjust it to whichever length or side of the screen you want to adjust it to, just like so. If you also want to change one of the applications, what you can do is to tap on the minus icon at the bottom over here, and you're going to see this apps icon on the left hand side. Go ahead and select that, and then proceed to select the application which you want to change to. So in my case, I want to change to the TikTok application. I can go ahead and select it, and as you can see, I can currently use TikTok on this device as well. Another thing you can do while multitasking is to actually interchange both screens. So I can tap on the three dots icon on the center just like so, and you can see this exchange icon. Just go ahead and tap on it, and automatically the primary screen actually comes over to the bottom, and then the secondary screen to the top. And finally, to exit split screen, all you just have to do is to either swipe this all the way down to the top or to the bottom, which automatically makes one of the screen a full screen, or you can as well tap on the dash icon or menu at the bottom over here, and then just tap on the cancel icon to exit split screen. So currently I now have this application as full screen, and I can actually just exit it from over here. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.